Introducing the FortiGate 700G series, a high-performance next-generation firewall purpose-built for the enterprise edge and distributed enterprises. It features dedicated management and high-availability ports for seamless operations and superior connectivity, with 8 5-gigabit RJ45 ports, 16 1-gigabit SFP ports, and 4 10-gigabit SFP Plus ports, as well as 4 25-gigabit SFP28 ports. Powering the FortiGate 700G is the latest SP5 or CP10 content processor, which is designed to accelerate pattern matching, content matching, while offloading critical tasks from the main CPU. The SP5 processor doubles the performance of its predecessor, enhancing applications such as real-time IPS signature correlation and overall threat detection. Powered by Fortinet's cutting-edge NP7 network processor, it provides hardware-accelerated security and networking capabilities, ensuring low-latency performance and seamless scalability. With 164 gigabit per second firewall throughput, 55 gigabit per second IPsec VPN, 26 gigabit per second threat protection, 16 million concurrent sessions, and 14 gigabit per second SSL deep inspection, it's built to provide unmatched power, performance, and protection. Keysight's Breaking Point Quick Test is a streamlined package of pre-configured automated tests with goal-seeking algorithms designed to rapidly validate network and security device performance. We're also leveraging NetSec Open, an open standard developed by the NetSec Open Consortium. This standard defines transparent, repeatable, and vendor-neutral testing, especially for security effectiveness for next-generation firewalls, IPS, and secure web gateways. The NetSec Open suite of tests in Breaking Point Quick Test, which we are demonstrating with our latest FortiGate 700G, validates real-world performance of security devices under known traffic and attack scenarios by measuring the throughput and security efficacy. So let's take a look at the test case that we're going to show in the next segment. The FortiGate 700G has all of the FortiGuard AI-enabled services like application control, AV, IPS, as well as FortiGuard SSL deep inspection. These four make up the threat protection performance that we typically deliver. We are using a mix of HTTPS objects for this test, which is based on the NetSec Open Test 7.7. Threat protection is also enabled with high security policies. Next, let's take a look at the performance in the demo. This is the FortiGate GUI, and you can see here we are using X5 and X7 interfaces to run the SSL deep inspection traffic, which is about 14 gigs of SSL deep inspection. And you can see here that all of the IPS engines are heavily utilized with their CPU at around 80 to 90% utilization running at the maximum capacity of the device. So in summary, the result for our SSL deep inspection is something that looks like this, with a total of 14 gigs of SSL deep inspection throughput performance using a traffic of mixed objects for HTTPS with SSL deep inspection, application control, AV, IPS, as well as SSL deep inspection. Now, for the last part of our demo video, we are going to show you the security efficacy of the FortiGate 700G. This is shown with the NetSec Open Security Test Suite in Breaking Point Quick Test. In the interest of time, we have fast-forwarded the test, but you can see in the Breaking Point Quick Test dashboard that our 700G scored a grade A on all of the security efficacy tests. Detailed test results for each of the NetSec Open security tests are also displayed, including the number of attacks sent and blocked. In the malware section of the results, you can see that we blocked 3,838 attacks out of 3,930 with a grade of A. Similarly, in the vulnerability section of the results, you can see that we were able to block 1,708 out of 1,711 attacks. These results are easily summarized in the Breaking Point Quick Tests Clear dashboard, with the FortiGate 700G scoring a grade of A for overall security effectiveness.